Bulk import facility in digital signature management. For that, we have to click on Utilities, Digital Signature Management. Here we have added a new field named as Upload Bulk Signature. Now we have to click on this button to download the Excel template. Now I'm downloading the Excel template to add the digital signatures in bulk. Here I am entering some details, name of the DSC, status, whether it is downloaded or pending for verification, valid from date, valid to date. Now we are saving this file. From choosing file, we will upload the Excel template. As you can see, the digital signature record has been updated successfully. As we can see over here,